Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today we are diving into something exciting, the launch of Claude's desktop application. If you are a fan of AI tools and productivity app, you are in for a treat. Claude is known for its powerful language capabilities and now more accessible than ever with this dedicated desktop app. In this video, I will walk you through the entire download installation step by step so you can get started quickly and easily. Whether you are looking to streamline your workflow, enhance your creative projects, or simply explore what Claude has offered, having this app at your fingertip can make a world of difference. So make sure you stick around for download, login, and installation walkthrough, and let's get Claude up and running on your desktop. Previously, I have created a video on setting up your account or setting up first login or setup with a Claude in the browser. I will add that video in the video description. So here to download a Claude AI, you have to go to the link claude.ai/download. I will add this link in the video description. You can see the screen that Claude for desktop is now available for Windows ARM64, and Mac operating system. I haven't tried the Claude desktop model yet, but it seems it looks similar to the web version. We could also see here that Claude app is now available on Apple as well as on Google Play, which is amazing. And I will create a separate video for Apple App Store and Google Play Store. For now, let's go ahead and try it for Windows, right? I want to download it on my desktop. Once the Claude application will be downloaded, I will start the installation and I will resume this video. Okay, the Claude download is complete. Let's go to this folder. This is the desktop, and now it's installing the Claude in my laptop. Perfect. Okay. So in the previous video, as I have explained you that I have used my Google account to log in to Claude, and that was totally free. We have used 3.5 version of Claude for free. So now let's go ahead and continue with that Google account which I have used earlier. To sign up for Claude, you can directly go to Claude.ai and you can sign up with your account, which is totally free, right? Okay, let's do a sign in and let's go ahead and open Claude on my desktop. Amazing. I have set up and opened the Claude application on my desktop, and I have also logged in with my Gmail account. And this is also a free version of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, right? And we could use Claude here with free version. If we want to update Claude, we can go directly here, use unlimited free plan, and we could go to upgrade. Once we are in upgrade, we have here different option to choose our plan. The first option is pro version of Claude, and that is $20 per month, and for team it's $25 per month. You can see all these detail when you require to upgrade your Claude plans. So let's talk Claude and verify. Okay, in this example, I want to attach a PDF that I have downloaded on my desktop so that I could give you a demo about attachment sending to Claude. So I have asked Claude that I have attached a document with my research notes on renewable energy sources. Can you summarize the key points and suggest some potential future research direction based on information provided? Okay, let's go ahead and ask Claude to summarize the key points and suggest some potential future research direction based on the information provided. Let's send this attachment to Claude. Okay, now Claude is summarizing my PDF document as per my askings or as per my recommendations. So I think this single example is enough for this video, and we have learned downloading and setting up Claude on Windows device. So now Claude is saying, would you like me to elaborate on any of these points or explore a specific research? No, thank you, bye. We are done here. So that's it about today's simple tutorial about downloading a Claude, setting up a Claude, and verifying Claude setup on the Windows device. Right now, I have a Claude Desktop app on my Windows device. That's it for today's simple, quick, and to the point tutorial. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.